So आज का ताजा माल is around weight loss, and well, we want to know your reactions to this.
Once a day, once a week, once a month. Once a day, once a week, once a month. Once a day, once a week, once a month. Once a day, once a week, once a month.
It was कौन सा day, कौन सा week, कौन सा month.
Also, she should have like also added medicines once a day, once a week, once a month.
But I don't understand how eating whatever that thing, naan thing is once a week is going to support anyone's health, right? Like, what if your
It's
month
called-
every day tomorrow? Like, today is the first of my month. My month starts from the 31st of Jan, so I'm having it once a month. Then my month tomorrow starts from the 1st of Feb, so I'm having it once a month.
Mm.
No, and there's also this thing, right? You tell a client once a week allowed है, तो they are automatically listening to हाँ 3 बार खा सकते हैं.
Allowed hai.
हाँ 3 बार खा सकते हैं. 3 बार खाऊंगा because उन्होंने once a week allow किया है.
Correct.
That risk is always there.
And these people don't think of the consequences of quantity. You say once a month beer, we could tank like 10 liters also. So
हाँ exactly.
Only you could have thought of this, Kenny.
that's why I stopped. That's why I stopped drinking.
NAC.
Point is like, see, these things, like if you eat gluten even once a week, it's creating antibodies. Those are going to stay in your body for 3 months, right? So if you're struggling with a thyroid issue or a Hashis or an autoimmune condition, and then you're like, once a week I'm eating gluten, why is my antibody not coming down?
Yeah.
Yes.
Be like that Rajesh Khanna without hands.
Also,
Arey, add one
still need
add one QR code on the screen permanently for people to iThrive Cares funds, so we can handle our legal battles.
अगर तुम सुबह उठकर सबसे पहले लेमन वाटर पीते हो तो ये तुम्हारा मेटाबॉलिज्म बूस्ट करता है और बॉडी को डिटॉक्स करता है। अगर तुम सुबह उठकर सबसे पहले जीरा वाटर पीते हो तो ये तुम्हारा फैट बर्न करने में मदद करता है और ब्लोटिंग कम करता है। अगर तुम सुबह उठकर सबसे पहले चिया सीड्स एंड वाटर पीते हो तो ये तुम्हारा वेट कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प करता है और डाइजेशन भी सुधारता है। अगर तुम सुबह उठकर सबसे पहले सौंफ का पानी पीते हो तो ये तुम्हारा पेट साफ रखता है और मेटाबॉलिज्म को एक्टिव करता है। अगर तुम सुबह उठकर तुलसी के पत्तों का पानी पीते हो तो ये इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है और स्ट्रेस को कम करता है।
People take all this part seriously, so you'll have jeera water in the morning and have puri bhaji for breakfast.
One drink is not going to solve anything.
Hmm.
This idea that do one thing and
Exactly.
the entire day you can live the way you want to, that's not going to solve anything. So such kind of reels should be banned.
See, and my advice is अगर तुम married हो या you live with a partner, सुबह उठ के पहली चीज ब्रश किया करो. ये सब बाद में करो because that's good for you. That's good for your partner also.
And how much chia seeds is put? ये तो दस्ते ही हो जाएंगी constipation. जगह दस्ते ही हो जाएंगे.
I found a lot of people posting this jeera water thing for fat loss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it even work? Like,
Not at all.
One thing never works. You can't just do one thing. जैसे अभी we'll see more reels ना of people who promote के एक बार पी लो, एक बार कर लो life में फिर एकदम सब सही हो जाएगा. That never works.
You're just a pessimist. You don't want to see the silver lining and all. Please. Okay?
People now, they just need quick fixes basically. Na? So these people are
Nobody,
cashing in
yeah.
on that. Nobody wants to put in the work. बस एक
So-
drink दे दो तो
So there was this very interesting take by one of the functional medicine practitioners. No? So he says that conventional medicine doesn't ask you to take ownership. That's why people like it more. Whereas the holistic approach, there's a lot of input from your end, effort from your end. They're like, नहीं, नहीं चाहिए, नहीं करते हैं. Yeah.
I feel they will take one of these drinks,
Mm.
Hmm.
pass motions, and then check themselves on the weighing scale. Wow, 500 gram कम हुआ.
maybe. Huh, like
yeah.
chia seeds, you're gonna have diarrhea the next day, and then it'll be like, yeah, my weight loss happened.
Chia seeds.
अगर आपके पास पैसे और समय दोनों की ही कमी है तो ये शानदार वेट लॉस रेसिपी है आपके लिए, क्योंकि इसमें कहीं पर भी कुकिंग है ही नहीं। ने मेरा वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करके अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स पाए हैं मेरे नो कुक डाइट प्लान से। सुबह नाश्ते में मैंने उनको दी ये वाली गट फ्रेंडली रेसिपी, जिसमें पोहा को भिगो के अच्छे से उसके अंदर डाला खीरा, साथ में डाला नारियल, स्प्राउट, फिर तैयार किया एक बढ़िया सा तड़का जिसमें तेल, साथ में सरसों, अदरक, सूखी लाल मिर्च, चने की दाल, उड़द की दाल, कड़ी पत्ता और डाल दी मूंगफली। इन सबको पका के डाल दिया अपने पोहा और दही के मिक्सचर पे। और अगर श्रुति के पूरे दिन का प्लान जानना चाहते हैं कमेंट करिए, प्लीज शेयर।
The amount of people who have
अभी
actually,
बोला पका के तड़का डालो.
they've commented on
No cooking and where is the tadka coming from?
Ah,
Tadka.
I feel bad.
also this won't work because there's no jeera in it.
Man, yes, सौंफ भी नहीं है.
How will it work?
Chia
Yeah.
seeds भी नहीं है. Correct. Point पकड़ा एकदम.
How can you have uncooked poha? Like genuine question.
Weight loss, like I just want to understand why would this lead to weight loss?
because it
Because
has no
nobody's-
oil.
Because it's
Sorry, go
so
ahead, Shabnam.
disgusting that nobody's going to eat it.
Exactly.
So you lose weight.
But it's all
I-
carbs and it's more
Exactly.
like omega-6 and
So many dals. I'm just worried about the lectin content.
You know, these people, I don't think ever heard of what a glucometer is. Just check the spike and they would understand how none of this.
No, and then they'll argue with you that it's not only carbohydrates. There's protein coming from the dals.
whe-
The 5 grams
sprouts from the
that
protein.
added.
Dal,
And from the
the
peanuts.
best source of protein for Indians.
Yes.
that protein's not enough for pigeons also. Like, how is it going to support?
Either way, this is like a disaster thing. If you're trying to lose weight and you start your day with carbs, you're going
Yeah.
to your leptin signaling, everything. And like this
Yeah.
is to lose weight, man. Like you start your day with protein.
And
Tell
besan.
you that plant protein powders also have this thing rice protein, no? So rice does have some amount of protein.
Correct, Avneet. Valid point.
So they will always क्या बोले ये लोग?
Counters.
Yeah.
पहाड़ों से बर्फ पिघलना शुरू हो जाती है। अगर आपने हर रोज मेथी दाना जो होता है ना वो खाना शुरू कर दिया, चाहे तो आप उसकी ड्रिंक बना के पी लो या फिर मेथी दाने का पाउडर बना करके 1 चम्मच खाना शुरू कर दो। क्योंकि देखो जो मेथी दाना होता है ना आपकी बॉडी के बाद पित्त और कफ को कंट्रोल करता है, और जिस भी इंसान के तीनों चीजें कंट्रोल में होंगे ना वो कभी जिंदगी में ओवरवेट नहीं होगा, ना ही अंडरवेट होगा। क्योंकि मेथी दाने के इतने फायदे हैं। एक तो ये आपकी बॉडी में यूरिक एसिड नहीं बनने देता, दूसरा जिन लोगों को बहुत थकान रहती है, आलस रहता है, ये उसको ठीक करता है। और मिलता भी कितना सस्ता है, 5-10 रुपए का आपको, मतलब ये 3-4 दिन। मोटापा ऐसे पिघलेगा आपके शरीर से जैसे धूप लगते ही पहाड़ों से बर्फ पिघलना शुरू हो जाती है। अगर आपने हर रोज
Yes.
We found the cure for uric acid.
है ना?
Mind blowing. Everybody pack up and go
My
home. Done.
biggest
We don't need this.
My biggest concern is being in a public place when the fat starts to melt. Yellow color fluid.
पहाड़ से बर्फ जैसे
Another thing is you have to consider age on that side. I think most, yeah, you continue with methi and all well into your 40s and then you see whether it. I'm more considered worried about all the flatulence effect of methi, that much methi consumption.
doesn't
because
suit
you see it
everybody.
in-
Bio individuality तो everybody forgets.
Hmm.
Methi dana is good for insulin resistance, sure, but for some people it can actually aggravate their pith. So what she's saying it will control, वो नहीं होता है.
I know she's added that element of Ayurveda also to make
Bath.
it palatable.
Bath and pith. First of all, pith तो control होता ही नहीं है. Pith, heavy pith people cannot have methi dana. They will have a host of other issues.
यार but इसको खाने का भी कैसे? It's not even edible. मतलब like
It
why?
tastes so bad.
Yeah, it's so bitter. Why?
No, but my problem is these things people do, na, one top fat loss, weight loss drink. And they think that just doing this is gonna give them the results, and they're not looking at everything else. So, I mean, it's also misleading people, na, and then
100%.
my problem is the 20.9 likes for something as stupid as this.
No, but what Avneet says is also very, very true that she herself might be doing 10 other things to keep herself like this. but she wants to only talk about a shortcut because she knows
Methi,
that's
yeah.
what is going to get her the likes.
What people will take from this is you just do those methi seeds.
Yeah.
Don't do weight training. Don't dial in your food. Like this sounds very cultural and seasonal and something that's easily, like available. So
Ayurveda, the
Mm.
element of Ayurveda is also
Rutuja
there.
Devekar, like how she does it, no? She uses that
Mm.
Indian cultural element. So
What your grandmother ate. Yeah.
Mm.
How your grandmother lived is irrelevant. Yeah, like at the age of 90 also,
Yeah.
my grandmother will be standing in the kitchen cooking for the entire family. That doesn't matter. But she asked you to take methi, so take methi and keep everything else crappy in your life.
Mm.
And it's just
My-
incorrect. Na? Uric acid doesn't
Yeah.
get created by methi seeds. I mean,
Exactly.
it's wrong information.
No, and वो बनने ही नहीं
My-
देता है. ऐसा
my-
नहीं है कि कंट्रोल करता है, बनने ही नहीं देता वो.
Because uric acid
Mm.
pathway तो फिर
Mm.
metabolically off हो जाता है.
Instead of one
That's-
nitrogen base, there is one methi seed sitting there saying, नहीं बनने दूंगा.
No, that methi seed goes and blocks. It just blocks those pathways. People are anyway. What are we trying to do? We're trying to teach people about, interpreting your blood reports and all. Nobody of this, how much 20,000 something people. Not one is going to verify this by. They'll just think, we found the cure for uric acid. They will never do a blood test and check is it actually working.
But
Like,
also the funny part is how well she's done the marketing in terms of like Ayurveda she's used medical का एक word तो uric acid हो गया, fat तो is the keyword, fat loss.
पिघल जाएगा बर्फ जैसे.
और अब जैसे visual is also there to represent that.
देखो जी, सिंपल तरीका बता रहा हूँ। फैट कहीं पे भी हो, चाहे फेस पे है, चाहे बेली पे है, चाहे थाइज पे है, ऐसे पिघलेगी जैसे तवे पे मक्खन पिघलता है वैसे। और तरीका इतना आसान है कि बच्चे से बूढ़े तक कोई भी आसानी से आजमा सकता है और खर्चा आएगा बिल्कुल जीरो, क्योंकि सामान आपकी रसोई से ही मिल जाना। अदरक लो और पीस के उसका रस निकाल लो। पतीली में 1 कप पानी रख के गैस पे चढ़ा दो और बराबर मात्रा में सौंफ, जीरा और अजवाइन डाल के उसको 10 मिनट के लिए उबाल लेना। इस पानी को छान के उसमें अदरक का रस मिला दो जो निकाला था आपने, और थोड़ा सा गुड़ डालना है, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा। सुबह खाली पेट इसको पी लो और उसके बाद 2 घंटे तक कुछ नहीं खाना पीना। मैं कह रहा हूँ जी, गारंटी ले रहा हूँ, कैसी भी फैट, कहाँ की भी फैट, आप कहोगे जी कहाँ गई फैट है।
मेरे को ये पहले मिल जाता फोकट में रेटा पे इतने पैसे खर्च किए मैंने.
नहीं, the idea is कि ये पीना है, 2 घंटे तक कुछ नहीं खाना है, फिर से ये पीना है, फिर से 2 घंटे तक कुछ नहीं खाना है, तो फिर तुम पतले हो ही जाओगे, डोंट वरी.
कहीं का भी फैट निकल जाएगा, फेस का हो, बेली का हो, आर्म्स का.
नहीं, बट पीने से पहले उसके पास विस्पर करना पड़ता है. You have to go and melt the face fat. You have to go and melt the abdominal fat.
How do you know these inside secrets, Padmashri?
The best part is he's compared it to the fact कि मक्खन जैसे पिघलता है वैसे तुम्हारी बॉडी से फैट
पहाड़ से बर्फ जैसे नहीं,
हाँ?
तवे पे मक्खन जैसे।
तवे
और
पे
तुम
मक्खन
पूछो
जैसे.
गया कहाँ फैट?
I'm actually getting the perfect recipe for a Instagram.
Yeah.
मतलब एक तो ऐसा टाइप का कुछ एक मेटाफर डाल दो कि पहाड़ से
Bollywood
बर्फ जैसे
dialogue.
पिघलेगा। बॉलीवुड टाइप का डायलॉग चाहिए।
हाँ.
दूसरा है आयुर्वेदा घुसा दो, बात पित्त डाल दो, थोड़ा आयुर्वेदा का तड़का, थोड़ा जीरे का तड़का।
But he included ajwain, okay? That fellow missed out on ajwain.
And also good. And someone has asked in the comments, गुड़ के बदले honey चलेगा क्या?
did he say no to it?
How are you starting your day with honey or good? Like वहीं पे सारा सब नेगेट हो गया ना?
नहीं, but
Don't
थोड़ा सा
start
ही
your
अलग
day
किया
with this.
उसने, please.
और
Don't
थोड़ा
make
सा
it
भी the
थोड़ा सा.
person who is making it उसको realize नहीं हुआ थोड़ा, उसने तो भर के डाल दिया।
It will have such a warm effect on your palate. So it's very placebic. You will feel like, oh shit, everything's melting, you know.
Burn हो रहा है, fat burn हो रहा है.
Ah,
Somebody
repackage that as butter.
that they've been trying this for 2 days and she's lost weight.
This is CCFT इसी से बनता है, right? So bloating के लिए it's good.
Human
But
coriander fennel.
yeah,
Hmm.
so you don't have this first thing in the morning, especially with good. That is not how it works. And वो bloating जाएगा तो people will think I'm losing weight or I'm looking fitter,
Lighter,
but
yeah.
they are lighter. But that's not really helping burn fat.
Yeah, and basically fat loss is about creating a deficit and increasing your metabolism, improving your muscle mass, giving your body protein. And then like when you get into deficit truly, your body starts utilizing stored fat, assuming your liver and thyroid and everything
Yes,
else.
See, alongside the deficit, I always think it's important कि जो तुम खा रहे हो वो कितना meaningful है. Like just because you are
Right.
intermittent
Yeah.
fasting, तुम्हें 1500 कैलोरीज अलाउड है एंड यू फील दैट फास्ट तो कर ही रही हूँ, तो व्हाई नॉट गेट दैट 1500 कैलोरीज फ्रॉम अ पिज्जा एंड अ बर्गर? It doesn't make sense, right? The quality that you consume is a lot more important than what deficit you're creating, right? No,
That's why
I'm
people
thinking
get into this cycle, no? Constant calorie deficit, they'll lose weight. Then again they'll gain it back because gut health तो खत्म हो गई आपकी. 1500 calories if you're eating, and if you're eating just junk, inflammation is going to set in after a point. So again you will gain all that weight that you lost. So then again आप 1200 कैलोरी 1300 कैलोरी खाओगे, deficit create करोगे. That starvation cycle, it will continue.
It's
correct.
the same, it's an alternative, na, like how some people take lukewarm water. Nimbu nichodo. I have heard the standard thing, whoever starts with weight loss with no idea of actually how to lose weight, they will do this. They will do this for 1 week, 2 weeks, and then wahi pe wahi hai.
So now I'm thinking when this guy's mother would have to make pav bhaji at home, she's like, "अरे बेटा मक्खन तो लाना भूल गई." He's like, "रुको रुको, मैं चीप के आता हूँ, फिर दूंगा तुम्हें."
Yeah.
दाल और सब्जियां हरी, जैसे अभी हरी सब्जियां आ रही हैं, हरी सब्जियां, ना रोटी ना चावल।
पराठे ले ले। Reminds me of my very, very first client when I started working at this charitable clinic. This 60s ki one Guju auntie came, gave her the entire plan. Ek to I was nervous, I didn't know how to go about doing it, but I gave her the plan and all. And सब ले लिया and बहुत innocently she's asking me, ये सब खाने के पहले खाना है कि खाने के बाद?
Oh,
This is that auntie.
So
This one.
cute, yeah.
पराठे बनेंगे?
I was like, oh, I'm not good at this.
Wheat is one of the strongest
It's
addictions probably
addictive,
that.
na? People are actually
Yeah.
addicted to the
Yeah.
gluten, the taste, the
I
flavor.
I've told number of people like, hey, you know what, you blood glucose, all this, cut out wheat. They're like, oh, that means paratha also stop. I said, yeah. Oh, biscuit also, like they're naming all the 1,000 dishes that are made. I said, bro, quit wheat. But they can't handle. And then some people, the other reaction is mind blowing. I said, at least substitute it with jawar or whatever, bajra. When I say quit wheat, they'll be like, they get angry and they'll be like, फिर मैं क्या खाऊं? I said, dude, there's
Yeah, we've had that even now. Like,
whole, yeah.
तुमने
The
तो खाना
addiction
ही
is,
बंद कर दिया, and then full angry and like
yeah.
very nasty.
You tell
अच्छा.
them one ingredient and
खिचड़ी क्या है? दाल चावल है। बिल्कुल। पुलाव क्या है? दाल चावल और सब्जी को पुलाव बोलते हो। सांबर क्या है? दाल और सब्जी को सांबर बोलते हो। ये ऐसा ही है ना? बिल्कुल। पिज्जा क्या है? रोटी के ऊपर सब्जी लगाई और बेक कर दिया, वो पिज्जा है। अब किसी लोगों ने जिनको अपना एजेंडा चलाना है, उन्होंने इसको जंक फूड बोल दिया। हम तो नहीं कह रहे, हमारे कहना तो छोड़िए, हमारे मील प्लान में तो ये होता है। अनमोल जी, होता है। पिज्जा खाएं। पिज्जा
दारू क्या है? गन्ने का जूस ही तो है। यस
यस यस
सिगरेट क्या है? बस पत्ते ही तो हैं। यस
यस यस
बर्गर क्या है? रोटी और टिक्की ही तो है। यस
यस यस
गांजा क्या है? हरे पत्ते ही तो हैं। यस
यस यस
गाली क्या है? सिर्फ शब्द ही तो हैं। यस
यस यस
खाओ।
Yes, Kenny, बताओ wheat क्यों बुरा?
I think it's the same guy that said ना about protein also. Why do you weight train? Because आप जिम में जाते हो, आप मसल तोड़ते हो, फिर वो उसको वापस बनाने के लिए आप प्रोटीन खाते हो, तो जिम में जाके मसल तोड़ना ही क्यों है? मतलब why you wanna? Like I was like, my God, this guy.
Bro, logic.
Said.
I have an analogy for this, okay? So this lady made a reel which said that तुम लोग सब अपनी mothers in law का क्यों इतना cribbing करते हो? It's very simple. तुम्हारी मदर इन लॉ को जो पसंद नहीं है वो मत करो। देखो अभी मैं अगर बर्तन साफ करके रखती हूँ तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ को पसंद नहीं है तो मैं बर्तन साफ ही नहीं करती हूँ। मैं खाना बनाती हूँ तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ को पसंद नहीं है तो मैं खाना ही नहीं बनाती हूँ। दैट्स द सोल्यूशन। जाओ ही मत जिम में। अगर जाके मसल टूट गया तो फेविक्विक पी लो, फिर जुड़ जाएगा वो। डोंट हैव प्रोटीन।
then why you eating food also? Anyway, in the morning it like comes out. Yeah. Just give up.
Honestly speaking, what I think is there is some nuance to this. He can't make a blatant statement like this. See, if you go to Italy, pizza is their main
Right.
Yeah.
dish, but the way they make it, the wheat that they use, and
Yeah.
the cheese that is made is not made like the crappy cheese that we use here in pizza. And what about seasonal food? What about ancestral diet? वो सब तो ध्यान में लेना ही नहीं है. पिज्जा वो लोग खा रहे तो हम भी खा लेंगे. I mean, imagine if Italians also शुरू पड़ गए बोल के कि हम भी आलू पराठा खाएंगे, हम भी पनीर पराठा खाएंगे. No, they are happy eating their food, na. So
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
should
and
eat
the
your
meat
food.
there is different for sure.
Very different. Yes.
Absolutely. Their government protects their crops. There is no GMO there.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Exactly.
like
The
like
gluten there
I
is very
spent
different.
yeah, when I traveled there, I had zero reaction to the breads, and they ferment it properly. Like nothing less than 24 hours to 72 hours anywhere, and it's really light. And like I know an Italian chain here also that brought the starter culture from Italy.
Oh,
Like
wow, okay.
it's over a 500-year-old starter culture, and they get the this
Tino,
thing
na?
flour also from Sinonas. Yeah,
Yeah. I love their pizzas.
yeah. It's you
Very good.
feel perfectly fine, you know. And they bring that flour also from there. The tomatoes are also from there. Like, and it's different when you eat it. You know
But
that.
even that, now, despite all of that clean, this pizza khao wazan ghatao, I don't think is likely, because if you eat that amount of flour,
Yeah.
whether it is like the most clean gluten
Yeah.
free, I mean the best
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
gluten, most
Yeah.
fermented,
100%.
from a macros perspective, it's still not going to give your body what your body needs to go into the weight loss mode. Okay, like see, every nutrient is a signaling mechanism. Now that the junk weight loss plan, like you're just hypocaloric. So if you're just eating this one pizza, one meal a day, maybe you'll still lose weight because you're hypocaloric, but it's going to destroy your muscles. It's going to destroy your immune
Not
system.
sustainable.
It's not sustainable.
Yeah.
It's not a way to lose weight. Like there's a way to lose weight with food. This is not it. You can't.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can't put this as the.
This is literally like telling your body at gunpoint ki get rid of the fat. It will, at that point, it will, because it is scared. But the minute you move on to your normal routine, it's like, okay, now I feel safe enough to keep accumulating more fat again.
Nowhere is also mentioned that you're supposed to use good quality ingredients to make it, or you're supposed to
Yeah.
eat it in portion control.
It's
Nothing.
not justifying eating pizza for
Assume-
weight loss.
Yeah.
People will assume you can have Domino's pizza. मतलब pizza तो खा सकते हैं. That's
Because
what
it is
people are going to take.
And yeah.
Domino's pizza is junk. I mean, there is no
See how
agenda behind it.
how people make pizza at home also is a ready-made pizza base that has insane shelf life. So body cannot, it doesn't even identify it as like food, you know, anything that has it.
Forget
This is
highly
just
evolved beings like highly evolved beings like us do not realize it, but even fungus knows that I can't grow on this because it's
yeah,
not food.
absolutely.
It doesn't grow. You leave that pizza base
Absolutely,
out for
yeah.
4 days and nothing grows on.
Nothing
Doesn't
will
get
happen, yeah.
spoiled.
क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं ओबेसिटी किलर किट काम कैसे करता है? ओबेसिटी किलर किट के 3 पार्ट हैं, ओके लिक्विड, ओके पाउडर और ओके टैबलेट। ओके लिक्विड हम सुबह लेते हैं खाली पेट सूर्योदय के बाद। इस लिक्विड को लेने पर हमें दिन भर फुलनेस की स्थिति बनी रहती है, हमें भूख कम लगती है। जब भूख कम लगती है तो हम कम खाते हैं। शरीर शारीरिक आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति हेतु ऊर्जा डिपॉजिट फैट से लेने लगता है और हमारा डिपॉजिट फैट भोजन के रूप में काम आने लगता है और हम आसानी से अपने वजन को कम करने लग जाते हैं। पर कम खाने का मतलब शरीर में कमजोरी नहीं है। हमारा यह लिक्विड 22 प्रकार की नेचुरल आयुर्वेदिक जड़ी बूटियों से मिलकर बना होता है, जिसमें विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स और न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल्स की भरमार होती है। वजन कम होने के साथ साथ हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम इनहेंस होता है, जिससे हमारा रोगों से बचाव होता है। हमारी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ती है, हम दिन भर एनर्जेटिक बने रहते हैं और फैट के पिघलने पर शरीर में झुर्रियां भी नहीं पड़ती। हमारे चेहरे पर कांति आती है, आभा आती है और चेहरा खिल उठता है। ओके पाउडर और ओके टैबलेट रात को लेते हैं सोने।
Obesity killer kit.
This should be illegal, yeah. This is
No, this is
painful to watch.
we are moving towards chronic diseases. This one tablet is the solution to all
Solution.
the woes in
मेरे को तो I saw this ad and I was like, okay, साबुन से जो ना है कमल सा खिल जाए. Remember that ad? Like the only thing missing is okay sabun, okay liquid, okay powder, okay capsules, okay sabun.
मतलब इसमें बचा क्या है करने के लिए? बेचारे ने सब काम कर दिया ओके पाउडर ने। मतलब उसने स्किन का भी ध्यान रख लिया, पेट का भी रख लिया, फैट का भी रख लिया। मतलब बस ऑफिस जाके कमा भी ले तो मुझे कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़े फिर।
Nee, and
बस
that handle itself is called the obesity killer, and they're just selling these kits. Now, nowhere are the ingredients being disclosed. Nowhere are, at least the kada guys, now whoever made the masala kadas, they were like, acha, jeera dalo, ajwain dalo. You're using things from your kitchen. You at least know what's going in it. This is just some concoction. You don't even know like heavy metals, chemicals, what appetite blockers are there, nothing. And quick fix again. कि
तो
पी
इस
लो
ये वाले प्रोडक्ट के नाम पे ना ओबेसिटी को ब्रैकेट में डालना चाहिए था।
किलर
सिर्फ किलर
You will not be okay.
ना रहेगी बॉडी ना रहेगी ओबेसिटी.
crazy stuff going on and we are so far away from this and we are like trying to teach our students ki plan your meals macros karo ye karo blood test karo ye deficiency hogi to ye supplement de do.
No, and imagine the grief I feel when patients come to me and say, आपने ओके पाउडर नहीं सुना है?
They'll be like, are you okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
You know what we should do? We should just go here every day and comment, are you okay?
Hmm.
No, but this is really bad, no? Like, I mean, the reason I pulled this out is this is high risk stuff. Unlike the jokes we cracked about the kadas and all of that, this is insane and it's risky. And
He brought in so much of all this different angles and heavy words that I don't understand also, you know, that
that's like gaslighting you. Basically, it's okay, let's gaslight you.
Hmm.
No, it was nice. He put in that really nice and fluffy statement. शरीर को बिना कष्ट दिए.
Hmm. That
Weight loss without
nobody
the
wants
effort.
to work hard.
Such people are ruining the name of Ayurveda.
That is also true.
They don't like, so that's what people want, no? They just it's all quick fix. One drink, one tablet, rest of the day, bajao the body.
Yeah, even like with this peptide thing, people just think taking Ozempic, Mounjaro is going to be, it's not, right? You have to actually do. So we are working with clients and there's so much effort that goes into making sure their food is actually okay so that the weight loss is happening. We've gotten clients who've taken Mounjaro, not lost weight, gained weight, got autoimmune conditions and everything, and now we're correcting all of that. So I don't know when the world is going to stop falling for this. One thing is going to fix it.
Okay, but who wants to
They
get the
actually-
price of this?
When they actually enroll in the academy and learn things, now they don't fall prey to all this. This is the best part. That is why I tell, आप नॉन मेडिको भी नहीं हो, आपको बेसिक न्यूट्रिशन की नॉलेज चाहिए, you might as well enroll. Even if you are not handling clients one-on-one, you handle yourself at least, now don't fall prey to such nonsense. So I think that at least is helping people, at least the ones who enroll in the academy and learn this, they don't fall prey to such things.
True. You were saying something, Shagun.
How much is it for?
So
I have no idea.
let's just guess what could be the price of this kit.
3 things, right? Liquid, powder, and
4, 5 tubes. So yeah,
तुम खुद से खरीद लो.
1500.
What's
3,000.
okay.
What?
Yeah. We have one. Let's see.
1500.
I thought it's like the real price.
No.
1500.
1,500. Okay. Chalo, I'll give you the answer. It's 5,800.
What?
Yes, this kit is for 5,800, and I just saw a Google review which was like, I want to return their kit. 5,800 wasted.
Okay,
But
this is
everything aside, when you
okay liquid वालों का diet है ये. So once you drown in the okay liquid and okay sabun, then this is what you're supposed to eat. Green tea, no sugar, lemon water. Then uttappa, thepla curd, apple or guava, pulao, soya chunk curd, या फिर जोवर रोटीज दाल गोभी मटर बटर मिल्क ब्लैक कॉफी रोस्टेड चना तड़का दाल राइस
नहीं,
बिकॉज
सच में इंसान काम कब करे? वो सिर्फ खा ही रहा है दिन भर.
खा रहा है और प्रोटीन नहीं मिल रहा है और पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है बहुत.
Black coffee is having at evening, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
black coffee. Wow.
नींद तो ओके नहीं रहेगी इसके बाद.
But he asked the right
But
question.
we have okay
Non-veg
liquid.
Why no non-veg?
yeah.
represents.
No, this is targeting.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가는
But this is also true. Like you can do all of the things, and if your metabolism is fucked and you need some extra support, then peptides come in, right? This was personal. I put it.
Yeah, but eat less is so misleading, yaar. Eat less नहीं, eat meaningful, eat real food. Like eat
True,
whole
true.
food. वो कोई नहीं बोल रहा यार.
कोई नहीं बोल रहा.
Because they don't even know now. There is so much misinformation around food itself. People make weight loss diet plans that are entirely calorie driven. That Chennai based company does that now. They just make it hypocaloric, and people are having like black coffee the entire first half of the day.
800,000 calories for a grown woman, like.
True.
And it's really bad. Like, see,
Starvation.
weight loss might happen initially if you're hypocaloric. After that, the body goes into the stress starvation mode.
Totally. So one of my clients, she had taken a diet from them. She lost good 13 kgs. And then with that, she lost everything. She was constipated. She was losing her hair. She got anxious, depressed, all of it. So when I saw, her thyroid had completely tanked. And now
Yeah.
she's doing 2000 calories a day and she's still maintaining her weight. But all of these symptoms are gone. So I told
That
her, she told
aspect
me,
is
I did it very sustainably. I lost this in 3 months under guidance. I said, whoever you took your guidance from, that person does not know what they're doing. Because 800 calories, if they're giving you in the name of detox, we are working on your gut health and we are detoxing you for 3 months on an 800 calorie diet, that's not going to cut it. Now she's planning to conceive. And if that kind of a pressure you put on your thyroid, how are you going to conceive?
Oh, hormones also would be pretty messed up.
Do you all come
Fully.
do you all come across these clients sometimes who are otherwise eating all junk, okay? And then when they come to us, we give them a well-constructed plan where there's actually a little more food than they normally eat. They tell you that आप जिस तरीके से आपने डिजाइन इतना तो मैं खा नहीं पाऊंगा. तो
Yeah. This was her case. She was not able to.
they are okay with eating, sort of like a tub of ice cream. Other things they'll be able to eat, which are like complete junk, because when just like when we'll tell them to have the protein, you have the vegetables. ये मैं इतना protein नहीं खा पाऊंगा, मैं इतने vegetables नहीं खा पाऊंगा. I'm like, you have programmed your mind now over the years to not eat real food only. So that is why then you think you can eat less of that, and then you actually leave room for all the junk. So
All the crap. Yeah. Many
Emotional eating.
Yeah.
It's basically coming from there. There is a
It's
major
such a
emotional
big,
void.
like this is such a big point of grief for me that my clients are always asking me about आप मेनू कब चेंज करके दोगे. I say I've given you the framework यार. You can I can suggest recipes if you're struggling to come up with meaningful recipes. I can suggest that, but change क्या होता है? मतलब बोर हो रहा है करके एक दिन प्लांट में पानी डालोगे, एक दिन दारू डालोगे क्या? Plant needs water, you have to water it only. Like you need food, these are the things you
अब
need.
मेन्यू कब चेंज मतलब have they come to Taj Hotel? मेन्यू कब चेंज करके दोगे? What is this?
Because that's how the other dietitians have spoiled them.
Yeah.
वो
This
मतलब
is
literally seen people
Yeah.
doing this कि first meal plan में दूधी की सब्जी होगी, second वाले meal plan में दूधी का सूप होगा. But clients are still happy कि उसने मुझे मेनू चेंज करके दे दिया. आज के मेरे 1500 रुपए
मेहनत की है ना मेरे लिए.
हाँ.
आपने मेन्यू चेंज किया तो मेहनत की है. Yeah, we get those all the time. Like what we do is for the first 2 days, so we don't make any changes. We just want to see what is your pattern like. You might tell me one thing in a consult, but when I actually observe you for 2 days, then I'll get to see what you're doing. And then we start the elimination, gluten, seed oils, and all of that. But you're not changing anything. Like instead of gluten, I'm asking you to eat something else. That is the first change. You do that and show now. When I send you the full plan, you'll sit in crib and complain, oh my God, this is too much. I can't do this, that, so much change, overwhelming.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Yay, this was fun.
This was fun.
Bye.
Bye.
And we'll
Thank you.
get a hang of it and will become more and more fun.
Yeah.